Daji explained here about the science behind creating daily meditation practice. Principle is about setting our lifestyle to be in tune with nature first thing in the morning. Based on his deep understanding of the ancient wisdom traditions combined with his own direct perception and experience, Babuji discovered that the ideal time for meditation is just before dawn, culminating in the moment when the night meets the day. He wrote, "Rise before dawn and offer your prayer and meditation at a fixed hour, preferably completing them before sunrise. At this time, the flow of energy in nature is almost still, helping us to also become still when we meditate. The sun's rays have their least influence at the time of dawn, so when we meditate at this time it is easier to resonate with that original state prior to the universe being created, before heat manifested. When we meditate before sunrise, the external heat and other influences that have been driven out of the body during the night cannot creep in again due to the effect of the sun. This helps us to derive the best from the time spent meditating." Cleaning of the body. So we prepare ourselves for meditation by giving special attention to external cleanliness, creating a feeling of purity. But what about purity of the mind? It is not enough to only focus on the body. If necessary, we can do a few minutes of heartfulness cleaning before meditating, as it will remove the impurities in the mind. Babuji explains that this feeling of purity itself becomes a power making our path smooth so that we soar higher and higher. Purity itself helps us to attain the goal of yoga. In the heartfulness tradition, when the system is purified with the subtle power of transmission, the downward tendencies of the mind are diverted upward, and this automatically creates a craving in the heart for the center. From the perspective of creating the habit of practice, purifying the body and mind prepare us for meditation, smoothening the process. Putting all these concepts together, Babuji's first principle is: Principle 1. Rise before dawn and offer your prayer and meditation at a fixed hour, preferably completing them before sunrise. Have a separate place and seat for meditation. As far as possible, develop the habit of sitting in one and the same pose. Give special attention to purity of body and mind. Reflections on Principle 1. The four elements of time, space, posture and purity come together to support the daily habit of morning meditation. We are creatures of habit. When we develop a habit, it goes into the subconscious mind and becomes automatic. We no longer have to try to do it. The body remembers through biophysical processes like muscle memory and effortlessly performs the action. Examples of this are driving, riding a bike, and swimming. We create the habit by repetition. Neural networks fire and wire in the same pattern through repetition. Time, space and posture are woven into this pattern. If, instead, we keep changing the time, place, and pose every day, it becomes impossible to form the habit. Instead of a daily habit, it becomes a daily struggle. Performing meditation in an upright sitting pose has been thought to be most advantageous from very ancient times, because in that position the flow of divine grace descends straight upon the seeker. Purity is also an attitude, a feeling, and a quality. So, when we prepare for meditation by cleaning ourselves physically and mentally, it triggers a habitual response, just as a smoker reaches out for a cigarette when he smells cigarette smoke in the air. In my experience, the preparation for morning meditation starts the previous evening with cleaning. Remember, we discussed two auspicious windows of time in the day for spiritual practices. One is in the evening and the other is in the morning. I would consider 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening and 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning ideal windows of time for spiritual practice. If we sleep before 10 p.m., it is possible to catch 8 hours of restful sleep and wake before 6 a.m. for meditation. This way your wagon is hitched to nature's 24-hour auspicious cycle. Coming back to the preparation for morning meditation, the complementary practices of evening cleaning and bedtime prayer set the attitude and inner state. Cleaning removes impurities and complexities from the system, and prayer re-establishes our lively link with the center so that it continues during sleep. Before going to sleep, if you subtly suggest that you are being prepared through the night for morning meditation, you will be happy to find that you wake up fresh in the morning and slip into meditation with ease. This first principle is fundamental to a good life. There is no possibility of real progress without practice. Therefore, making the practice a daily habit is vital. The 4 elements that are essential to creating the habit are a fixed time, preferably before dawn, a dedicated place, a steady posture, and purity of mind and body. In view of this, evaluate yourself. Can you improve the way you prepare for meditation? What will motivate you or inspire you to take action? The most common answer is self-discipline. What drives self-discipline? Of course it is willpower. But when does this process become effortless, requiring no willpower? If you ponder over it, you will soon see that it is when we have interest and enthusiasm. Does a small child need willpower to eat ice cream? No. The word enthusiasm comes from the Greek enthusiasmos, meaning to be inspired or possessed by God. By connecting with the divine, the center, through prayer, our enthusiasm grows and grows naturally and automatically, so that our interest in meditation also grows side by side. And where does prayer take us? We don't have to look far, as it is within us, within our hearts. The path of the heart is the path of love. Everything is fueled by love. And what is the source of that love we feel in our hearts? I leave you with this question. It is something that you will find for yourself, and when you find it, you will have everything. Making the practice a daily habit is vital. The 4 elements that are essential to creating the habit are: fixed time, preferably before dawn, a dedicated place, a steady posture and purity of mind and body.